Chitty bird. Birdie. Oh, look at that chitty birdie. Oh, you're going to make a good feather duster. Yeah, or an Indian headdress. Chitty birdie? Are you going to stuff a pillow? Huh? Chitty bird! Oh, you're a little poop machine. Oh, birdie.